Okay, copywriters, I got a great little metaphor for you. Imagine two men who decide together that they're going to go into the plumbing business. Okay, so they're both going in the same business, but they're going to take different routes to get there. Plumber number one decides to go home with his plunger and practice unstopping his toilet, while plumber number two decides to put his plunger over his shoulder and go down the street and go door to door until he finds his first customer. Now, the result, as you might imagine, let me put my plunger away, is that one guy is going to get really good at unplugging his own toilet, but not making any money. And plumber number two is going to be out there figuring out how to make money at the same time he's learning how to plunge toilets. So which one would you rather be? If you want to stay at home and practice the art of copywriting and not work with clients, not get paid, not understand how clients think, how to talk to clients, how to talk on the phone with clients, how to close deals, how to negotiate bigger projects and second and third and fifth projects, then do that. But if you want to get real clients, make real money, and get started fast, this program is for you, because my method is pretty unusual in the copywriting training industry, but it represents method number two, where we're just going to take your existing writing skills, put them over your shoulder, and march into Upwork, and I'm going to show you the techniques which attract clients and prospects to you. During the weekly live coaching calls, I'm going to get on the phone and I'm going to pretend to be the client. You're going to be the copywriter, and you're going to talk to me, and I'm going to coach you what to say, how to say it, what not to say. We'll talk about pricing. We'll talk about presentation and how you're going to package your products. And we're really just going to go through the whole process of actually working with people. So I know it's a funny example, but I really think that unclogging your toilet at home is what too many copywriters do these days. You know, they just practice and practice and practice. And the more they do that, the deeper they sink into a rut and never get out there and make a go of it. This program is one of those programs. If you want to do this for real, I recommend you join me now.